Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a bit of a different type of video. As you can see, I'm technically vlogging right now. I'm actually be doing a kind of more room organization, bathroom organization video today. And I'm really excited about it. So I've had this like multi-drawer rainbow storage unit for a very long time. It used to hold my makeup. It currently is holding my like skincare, hair care, body care, all that kind of good stuff. And I just figured it was time for a change. I'm actually redoing my bedroom right now as well. And I'm just getting a bunch of new furniture for it. And it's starting to come together and I'm really excited. But I thought while I was at IKEA, I might as well look for something for my bathroom. And I actually found this really cool cabinet storage unit with shelves inside. And it's actually from like the dining room, you know, section. But I thought it would fit really well in my bathroom. And it is called the Brimness. So Fadri built it the other day, bless his soul. And I'm actually gonna fill it up today with all the stuff in my old storage situation. So I thought I'd take you along with me and we could kind of just go through it and figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm just so excited to get everything in there and I can't wait. So yeah, let's just get started. So, welcome to my floor. This is a little kind of situation we got going on. I really like it. I don't know, I think it just makes it look so much more put together in here. I don't know why, but I think it looks really cool. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of take all the drawers out of the previous rainbow storage solution I had, and then we're gonna move everything into this. So this is gonna be a big job. Wish me luck. Okay, so as you can see, we have like 4 different levels here, and there's like a divider in the middle, which I really like. So really one area could be for each thing, like hair care, skin care, you know, sample sizes of products. But also what I think I might add in as well is a nice little feminine care area because I currently keep like all my tampons, pads, all that kind of stuff on the back, like, you know, on the, what would you call that? Like on the ledge on my toilet. Just in case, right? And I feel like it's just a better idea to have everything in here. And also it's kind of nice that it's clear too. So, you know, if I have friends over and they need something, they know where it is. Now, it would be kind of nice if I could find some kind of like storage thing that like isn't so, you know, obvious. But that will be another time. I think I'm just gonna put them up here because it's kind of like the main area. You would just see it and be like, okay, yep, it's there, you know? So we got our tampons. We're also gonna put a little bottle of Advil liquid gels in here too, just because it makes it a nice little station. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, when you close the door like that, you can see right into it. And I mean, I'm not that worried about having that kind of stuff on display personally. Like, it's part of my life. It's part of every female's life, so we're gonna leave that there. As random as it is, I'm gonna put my face masks on this next shelf because this is a, you know, wooden shelf versus a glass one. So for me, I have a lot of these Body Shop glass face masks, you know, in like the jars. And I feel like I'm just a little more comfortable with those being on a wooden shelf versus a glass shelf. I know these are like really secure, but you know, Grandma Megs has those kind of things in her mind. Also the face mask brush, very important. You know, we'll put it over here. Okay. So I think that looks good. I actually like that. I can kind of see everything, know what I have. If you're wondering why I have so many of the Body Shop ones, we actually had this like gift set at the holidays and it went on sale and I bought it because it had like 5 of the masks or something for a really good price. So yes, I'm slightly obsessed. Also forgot I have this e.l.f. one. This one can go back here. I also have this Freeman charcoal one. Ooh, I think I remember liking this actually. So I'm not gonna get rid of it. I think I might put this on the back. Oh, it's a little tall. Okay, let's just put it on its side, the back. There we go. Okay, that looks decent, doesn't it? Yeah, okay. Cool. We got a good little area for masking. Okay, so next I'm gonna fill this little shelf down here. Now, this is gonna be like my random other skincare things. I have eye patches, a facial, but like roller, a mist, my exfoliator, you know what I mean? Like that kind of thing. Things that are open, but I don't use them every single day, so they don't live on my, you know, bathroom counter. So we're gonna put these in here and see how they fit. This is again a very trial and error process because who really knows until they put everything in here. But yeah. Okay, I have had much contemplating and I think I finally figured out what I want to do. Bless the dang heavens, am I right? We're gonna put some hair products in here. So first things I have here are like, I have a mousse from Garnier, I have Kevin Murphy Do-Over Dry Powder, which is technically my mom's, but I stole it, so if you need it, Mom, it's in here. I also have Dove Dry Shampoo. I also have this Dry Bar Detox Whipped Dry Shampoo Foam, which I'm not gonna lie, it totally got buried in my like last storage situation. I totally forgot I had this, so Ginge, I'm so sorry. I know you bought this for me for my birthday. I'm gonna use it now, okay? It smells heavenly, I'm gonna use it now. I'm so sorry I forgot about it. Oh man. I also have my Ava NYC Rockawave Curl Cream. I also have this John Frieda Beach Waves, Beach Blonde Sea Waves mist, basically. And this coconut milk nourishing coconut oil from Organics. And last thing I'm gonna put down here is this Kerastase like fiber serum, heat protectant, I think, kind of thing. We're gonna put this in here too. Now in here I'm gonna put smaller products. So I have like Bumble and Bumble Curl Cream. I have this little Aveda Damage Remedy thing. Marrakesh Ends. Pop that in there. I also have a couple of things, like I have a hair mask from Sephora. Pop that back there. And I have this new thing from Briogeo. It's like a stimulating scalp massager. Yeah, I'm loving it so far, but I think its best place to keep it would be in here, so pop that there. Okay, now we're gonna go into the body section, which I'm pretty excited about, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna first off put my Glaxel Base Moisturizing Cream. I think we're also gonna slide in my Veet hair removal, see if that will fit. Will not fit, okay, that's cool. I think I'm just gonna put this under my sink, actually. Again, I don't need this on display, you feel me? Same with like the baby shampoo that I use to clean my makeup brushes. I don't need to have this on display, you know? I will though put out my Alba Hawaiian body oil. Put that guy in there. I'm also gonna pop in my British Rose Instant Glow Body Essence. I actually just opened this up. I've only used it like once, but I'm excited to use it more. I also have the two body butters I have open. I have Raspberry and British Rose. I think we'll just pop these guys up here for now. Oh, also my coconut one from Petal Fresh. Dig that guy, I love him. And also I have my peppermint foot spray, which I will pop in there too. I do have a little mini foot cream from the Disneyland Resort. And I also have my After Sun from Life brand, you know, just aloe gel. I think we can just like put this back there, you know. And this one I'm just gonna put up here too. Okay, I'm sorry I was a little bit rudely interrupted. My camera filled up with video space. No, lacked video space. Anyway, I just put my sunscreen back there for my body. And now I think what I'm gonna do is go through all of this, which are like my backup things, mini sizes, sample sachets, and I'm gonna see what I can do because I think I'm just gonna put them all in this bottom shelf here. So let me just go through this and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a wrap. So I have this entire bag of paper sachet samples. This, I think, will just reside in there, but in the back. These ones here are just like literally only travel sizes. Like I don't want to use them any other time. There's some lip products I gotta put in my lip balm kind of area in my desk. And then we have all of these, which I have not opened or maybe just tried once. So, what to do? It's like they're backups because I don't want to have so many products open, but at the same time, like I still want to try these. Do you feel me here? Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out. Okay, so we're gonna start off by putting these in here. I know probably an eyesore for most, but I'm just gonna put that in the back. And then I'm also gonna put kind of over in that area, like the ones that I only use for traveling. So like my mini curl cream, mini dry shampoo, mini micellar water. And I think I'm gonna put these in the back as well, just because I don't need them right away, but I know they're there, you know what I'm saying here? Now, these two things I have actually tried once or twice. I'm actually gonna add these up here. This is like the Pixie Peel Polish, and this is like a hydrating aloe cream. I'm gonna put these up here because that way I know that I've opened them, so I wanna use them pretty soon. You know, I have a hand sanitizer I'm just gonna put up here in my body area. Same, I also have some blotting sheets. The blotting sheets, I think I'm gonna put back here in my kind of like extra skin area. I also have a couple like mini body products, so I think I'll put these in my body area. Same with hair, actually. I have a couple mini hair products, and these I could definitely open now if I wanted to. So I'm gonna put them in here as well. So as with the little guys, I think what I'm gonna do is put a lot of them in this little container that I have, because standing them all up is not a good idea. Like once you knock one thing over, it all tumbles down. Okay, that looks so much better, y'all. So I put all like the minis in here, and now we're gonna put this right here, and then I think we'll put the rest of these kind of like moderately larger sample sizes in here. So, you know, and I'm gonna organize it by cleanser, toner, exfoliator, all that good stuff. That looks a heck of a lot better in my opinion. It's still a little cluttered, but I feel like it just looks better like that. So yeah, I think we're actually done. Holy freaking heck, man. That is cray. So let me just give you one last final tour. All right, so let's open these doors up here. And here you have all the products. So again, up here we got our feminine supply kind of area. We have our masking whole shelf. Down here we have our kind of like extra skincare shelf, which includes, you know, like things that I'm using right now but don't use every day. And then also down here we have our sample / backup area. Over here we got our little hair area. We have like mini sizes on the top and full sizes on the bottom. And then we have our body area, which has all kinds of body moisturizing things and a couple random things too. I just love the way this turned out. So that's everything for this bathroom cabinet organization video. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's a little bit different than what I usually do on here, but I kind of thought it'd be fun to show you my organization process for that. I don't know. I got a feeling it might not be as smooth as I think it might be, but we shall see. Anyway, if you like videos like this, make sure to let me know in the comments. I'm thinking of doing a video dedicated to my room makeover once everything is done, you know. So let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Anyway, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!